The number one question investors ask me is, should I buy an investment property now or should I wait? Well, here's the truth. You see, people ask me all the time, Michael, is now really the right time to invest in property? Or maybe I should wait until things settle. Here's the thing. There's never been a perfect time to start. The market's always too hot, too cold, too uncertain. In my 50 years in property, I've seen people hold back because they were waiting for prices to fall, for interest rates to drop, for the economy to stabilise. And years later, they regret not taking action. I believe we're currently in a window of opportunity for property investors who take a long-term view. Right now we're seeing what people would call a perfect storm of fundamentals that are aligning to support strong property markets in the years ahead. Continued rapid population growth is pushing pressure on housing. An acute shortage of undersupply of properties, a chronic shortage of skilled labour making new development slower and more expensive. Inflation's moderated, now sitting within the Reserve Bank's target range. That means interest rates will keep falling, bringing more buyers into the market. And government first home buyer incentives are going to pour fuel on the flames of an undersupplied housing market. As interest rates keep falling and confidence returns amongst both buyers and sellers, they're going to enter the market, and that's going to push the property cycle to the next phase. And historically, this stage has delivered some of the best capital growth for those who've acted early. To be clear, I'm not suggesting you should try and time the market. That's nearly impossible. You can't get it right consistently. However, many successful investors have built significant wealth by buying during the early stages of an upturn, when others were still lingering, when there wasn't as much competition, and they've been waiting for headlines to turn positive. So if you're in a financially stable position and thinking of buying your next home or investment property, this may be the right time. Because in property, like in life, you don't get rewarded for waiting. You get rewarded for taking action with clarity when others are uncertain. Fact is, the smart money's already on the move. They understand that property is a long-term game. They know that you don't make your money in property overnight. It's rewarded by owning quality assets over time. So right now there are opportunities for those who are prepared in the Australian property market, because there isn't one market. It's made up of hundreds of micro markets. Some are thriving, others are struggling. But as I said, the underlying fundamentals for the beginning of a property super cycle, not a boom, but a period of prolonged property growth are there. So if you want to take advantage of this, I suggest you have a chat with the wealth strategists at Metropole, who will help you outperform and stop you making expensive mistakes by putting a strategic property plan together for you. Why not book a complimentary wealth discovery chat with the team at Metropole? I'll leave a link in the comments. We'll help you get started right away.